Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. On my marital spirit, they call Fabrizio Romano don't come as I can they let us know say Arsenal they presently discuss personal terms with Zinchenko. Say they don't already they progress with negotiations with Man City, because Man City talks they go very well. In short, the team they go with alacrity because Arteta talks say he won't wrap up this deal quickly without wasting any time. So as they discuss with Man City hierarchy, they discuss with Zinchenko at the same time. So we know say he go accept personal terms anytime soon because the guy is really keen in joining Arsenal. I mean, if I don't go watch some of the guy clips when they play for Ukraine, man, see how the guy they play for midfield. The guy is a very good player. One touch, back. The guy receive vision because the guy is a very creative midfielder, and that is why Mikel Arteta they very keen to even work with the guy, and the guy said they happy to join Arteta. So anyhow way they go, if the guy don't accept the personal terms or Man City don't already accept a fee, I will let you know. If now when I don't do the show finish, I will go live to break am because David Einstein, Fabrizio Romano, Ben Jacobs, all of them they on top of this deal. Many media houses don't put the shot. The thing trend yesterday for Twitter. I see him Zinchenko, even Arteta and Edu trend there because some people call the talk say Arteta don't know say anybody where they won't go for other clubs to come when they choose their head, so they can't go for that Lisandro Martinez, but Lisandro Martinez not be the main player where they won't get. Now Zinchenko say because of them now man you don't overpay for Lisandro Martinez, they pay £50 million with add-ons. You get something be safe to say no be Arsenal they there, they no go pay like that. So Arsenal just go there, help them inflate the fee, come withdraw back, come go for the main target they won't go for. Because this Zinchenko interest, I don't talk this news one time in the past. If you never remember. So now we are going for Zinchenko and nobody's competing with him with us for him. So that is what it is. So anyhow the deal they go, I will let you know. Even the Daily Mail self don't come aside, they let us know say Zinchenko gone self say the guy na £35 million now Man City want from and Arsenal they ready to match that valuation. Say this deal will be completed in the coming days, or in the coming weeks, but it will be completed very soon. So £35 million for Zinchenko is not bad. He's a 25-year-old, I believe, and the guy did very good. He get experience, massive experience for the EPL. That's won 4 Premier League titles, about 2 cups and something again, won something else again. I see the statistics yesterday when I checked the guy stats. So the guy is a very good player, and I watch him play. He's very young, has not reached his peak, so he can grow with our young crop of players. So a nice move. I'm very happy. If Arsenal have signed this one, a very good addition for the midfield and for the left back. It makes sense. Away from that, so William Saliba don't do one interview while they watch him from Arsenal.com. Do they not let us watch him at the transcripts? I just read. So Babaka the talk say he had a very good season at Marseille. Last time around, they didn't go for France, so he didn't get a very good season. So what he want to do now is to replicate that season when he gets there for Arsenal, and he want to thank the Arsenal hierarchy, the Arsenal fans who don't follow in career for a very long time, saying they're here to fight for him place. Like the guy is willing to fight for him place. The only flaw waiting for the guy to say he's unwilling to sign a new contract extension. As in there like this now, he get 2 years left on his contract. So that's why everybody gets expect and say, okay, sign a new extension to show say yes, you are here to stay. Don't be say you dey here but your mind still dey Marseille, you dey pray make you run down your contract, or maybe when the thing don't reach 1 more year, then Marseille will come for you, or some other clubs come for you. You can't be in pole position to dictate play, or maybe Arsenal will get choice now to let you go for free the upper season or to sell you for cheap. That's why Arsenal want extend the contract to preserve in value. You get, because when you get like 3-4 years left on the contract, person won't buy you. Arsenal will be in pole position to command huge fee. So now what make Arsenal they get double mind about the guy. So whether they collect money for your head now, or maybe they sleep and make him play 1 season. Maybe after 1 season, he go straight and go sign an extension. Maybe he will come fall in love with Arsenal. Nobody really knows. So anyhow these things they go, I will let you know. But for now, he's willing to play in the Arsenal and fight for his place, which is what is expected. Nobody saying you say you win Young Player of the Year for France, so you win and fine, quite alright. But for one see you. Here no be France, here na EPL. If you know me, know now. Our Austin Trusty don't officially join Birmingham City on loan. I think Birmingham City upload them for their Twitter page. I think after 10. That was after I don't even shoot finish yesterday. So that's what I can tell them. I thought the guy they on his way to Birmingham. Some people can't even notify me say the guy already go. They don't announce him. I said okay, no yawa. So I let you know. For those who don't know, officially now Austin Trusty, where Arsenal signed from Colorado Rapids from America. They don't send them on loan. Go for Birmingham City. Make the guy go develop. The guy is just 23 years old. So wish him all the best of luck. Then by next season we'll know whether he done good enough to come play for Arsenal. Anyway, all these things they go. I'm gonna let you know. But Jack Wilshere self now come outside and talk about Zinchenko. So Baba come to say this Zinchenko guy, say him really like the guy. The guy is a very, very nice player. And the guy get good relationship with Arteta, and for the guy to be willing to come and join us, that's the kind of things we want. The players that are willing and 100% ready to join us and play for us. No, we don't really find money because of money. We can't come here again. But that is what we are praying for, and that is what we are getting. So our owner make time just reach people see the guy they play, because the guy no be people where they get injury anyhow, and the guy they very fast. I just like the guy. Okay, I said I can give a Leno update. So you know say Fulham won't sign Leno. So as the thing stands now, Fulham and Leno don't agree 3-year deal. They don't agree personal terms. But Fulham and Arsenal never agree a deal in principle. We go fit carry the guy go. Arsenal say now I think 11 million pounds they want. Fulham they complain say the money too much. So that's where the issue dey now. So let us have the beg Arsenal, say make Arsenal reduce their valuation so that him go fit join Fulham, because this is an opportunity where him no go fit ignore. Because everything where he wants, now the deal gets. He wants to play in London, doesn't want to move his family. He wants to play for an English team. He wants to remain. No, everything we want. Now the club gets. The club self, as newly promoted side, they need a good shot stopper. They don't want to carry their keeper. We keep for championship to come EPL. EPL is a different kettle of fish. You know, they careful as he come and say he will go back. So then no one go back. They won't remain here. So that's what everything is. So I never know whether Arsenal will listen to the pleas of Leno, so maybe they'll reduce the price you get. I never know. But 11 million pounds, come on, is that too much for a Leno? A short stopper like a Leno? I don't know. Arsenal players get one bad habit. They know they get good value if they won't sell them. Their value they always depreciate. And if the buying club no really accept the valuation where Arsenal don't set, the players will want to beg Arsenal, make them reduce the price, or make them say, okay, I go sacrifice my salary. All those kind of talk you want to hear. Why other players who want sign they do like that for their own club? I know just know why our own they different. Well, we just they watch. Even Ben Jacobs don't come outside call the talk. Say Zinchenko they very, very excited and happy to join Mikel Arteta for Arsenal, because the guy they languish for Benjamin from Man City there. Fine, they win things, so but you know they play plenty match. I remember when I told the guy played just 15 times last season. Really, despite say they play many competitions, both Champions League, both Cups, both League, he only played 15 times because Cancelo will be person they get injury up and down. So as long as Cancelo did there, Cancelo will always be play. Unless the one rest Cancelo, they'll come bring him. So okay, yeah, go in and play. So that's why the guy won't express himself outside, and Arteta don't give a shot. Let's say if you come, I go play you for midfield. Then maybe if Kylian can't get injury before I can't draft to go left back, but say Kylian is alright. Now in with Granit Xhaka with the drag position, which is what I like, because in the midfield three, he's playing the left side of the front midfield three, and the guy said if he play in the left side of the front three, that's left front wing. So I just really happy for the guy, saying the country is very, very versatile. So we'll just see how everything will turn up sharp. We'll just sign up sharp. On my way from that, so Arsenal self they show interest, say they want sign Esmond Tapsoba, and Esmond Tapsoba and Bayer Leverkusen defender and centre back. Now the reason we make Arsenal, the reason they say they want sign them, they just put them for their wish list, skip and down, say okay, make them know what's going to happen between Saliba. You get, because like I explained, Arsenal don't want a situation whereby Saliba will play this season. Next season you can't won't go. You can't reluctant to know the sign when you know say they don't get choice. As now once year remain, they go one seller to recoup money. So now what they don't want. So the reason why they make this even sell them this summer now. So from now to September 1, they get a decision to make. Are you going to sign an extension? If you don't sign an extension, we'll sell you out. Because what's the point? You play 1 year, you can't hold us for ransom. Someone will sell you by all means. Because Marcel, they monitor the situation like mad. Marcel, Napoli, many clubs, they monitor Saliba. They just stay in the wings to watch. They are ready to wait for 1 year. After 1 year, they'll come back. Arsenal will get choice because he has 1 year left on his contract. He doesn't want to sign an extension. That money when I'm talking, I don't want to sell him. When I can't sell him for cheap. I have 20-30 million pounds. So now the situation where Arsenal no one day by themselves. Now when the guy get 2 years left on the contract, if they won't sell him, they will sell him up to like 50 million pounds. It's Shola. After all, they said he won an award in the French Ligue 1. So they go down and leverage anybody who won't buy him. This buy so myself is a very big beast. The guy is very, very good. So I never know how all this is. So because all we know is Arteta still wants a centre back. So we will watch how everything will unfold. And even Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside the talk say he expects Arsenal to go for a winger in the coming days or in the coming weeks. So now waiting the expect because as Arsenal don't lose out for Rafinha and it's looking like Cody Gakpo is not coming anytime soon. So they are going to sign another winger to work with Saka. Either somebody better than Saka or somebody in the same caliber with Saka. It doesn't have to be somebody in the lower cadre. No. They have to be in the same level. You get somebody they very good. They say if you come on Saka, defender side with the fear say oh more see another man they enter again. No, that is what we are looking for. I mean, if I don't talk and say Arsenal never sign finish. Some people they of the opinion say Arsenal don't sign finish. Why they go talk say they don't sign finish? Who don't sign? So we don't plug all the gaps so we get all the gaps will affect us last season. We don't plug them. We don't plug them now. We still need a defensive midfielder. We still need a central attacking midfielder. We still need it. We still need the left back. We still need the striker. We still need the right wing forward. So what's in the top now? Even Martinelli himself need help. We need the winger there. So any other things they go share, I will let you know. About Granit Xhaka self don't come outside. Come they talk say in they very very happy. Say Arsenal don't sign some kind serial winners. Say this time around for this window, say the window they bust in brain, say the sweet in belly because Arsenal don't just sign anyhow player. They sign players when they used to winning. Look at Marquinhos. Marquinhos has been winning with Sao Paulo. Look at Fabio Vieira. Fabio Vieira has been winning with Porto, like they win well steady. The guy just win league before he come here. Look at the Gabriel Jesus, serial winner. He don't win plenty times. When he don't be anything for him, he has that winning mentality. He has all it takes to try. You get the guy that win 4 league titles. He was the part of the defending champion. Now they even win now, so just win EPL before they come here, come Arsenal. So look at everybody we are signing. We are signing good players. So you know what it takes to win. Say that winning mentality it will rub off for the team because many of the Arsenal teammates they play, they never win anything for their life. They don't know what it takes to win. They don't know how to even lift a cup. But people they come in now, come on, they are going to lift the team, upgrade the team, and that's why he's very very happy. Look at the Zinchenko that is still coming. It's another serial winner. So we are very happy with all these things. Zinchenko spent 6 years in Man City winning 4 league titles and cups and all that. So we are happy with Xhaka. Mr. Bade very very happy. Baka don't confirm Rafinha deal again. So the transfer saga don't be over. Rafinha don't move to Baka. Frankie de Jong they on your way to Manchester United. Man U and Baka don't agree a deal for Frankie. They remain make Man U accept personal terms with the guy. The guy say no one leave Baka. But Baka they give him ultimatum say he must go. You get so I never know how that one go they sorted out. But Rafinha he don't go. Chelsea still looking for a new winger. Arsenal also is still looking for a new winger. More just to watch how everything they go. About surprise, Leeds United they interested in signing Nicolas Pepe and our monetary spiritual they call Dario de Sevilla. And then come and call let us know this one. You know say Leeds United don't sell Rafinha, so I think maybe they don't even get a replacement before. According to yesterday, they are interested in signing Pepe. Both Sevilla self waiting for La Liga. They interested in signing Nicolas Pepe also. So where Pepe they go, I can't really say for now. All I know is he has many suitors where they interested in carrying him. Arsenal placed a £25 million valuation for him head. We are expecting people that want to buy him to come and pay this money. But Sevilla they talking now whether £11 million they get. No, people are just bringing the guy feet down. Whether 11 or 50, I can't even remember myself. But any which way, I expect Arsenal to flush this guy because in the collect I think 140 per week, I be 240, I can't even remember. So that one said if we add them up at the end of the year, that's still another big money with that. Oh, if the guy finds square root, Jerry. My monetary spiritual record D will be one of the super medias. Don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal targets where they call Sergio Gomez. Say the guy don't get injury for pre-season. And the guy if he missed the start of next season, that's the 2022-2023 season, if he miss out. So whether this one will make Arsenal fashion inside, I never really know. Because Arsenal they look say Zinchenko, they won't get him. But if per venture say they don't get Zinchenko, they will look for a Sergio Gomez of Anderlecht. So how all this one they go, I never know. But all of us know say Zinchenko, Shola. That deal done they already agreed, Jerry. The guy will come Arsenal. So once the guy come Arsenal, you know we'll get any need for people like Alex Grimaldo, people like Sergio Gomez, all those people. No we'll get any need for them again. But even the Athletics don't come outside, can't give us information. Say Serge Gnabry don't end in transfer saga, in transfer speculation, as the guy don't sign an extension with Bayern Munich. So Chelsea is not getting him, Arsenal is not getting him, Man U is not getting him. So the guy they remain for us for the Bayern. We are in with Sadio Mane will rule the wings for there. Well, I wish him all the best of luck. As he did not join us, he did not join our rivals also. So make him stay there and make them give up what he deserve. Chelsea self down there on the verge of signing Arsenal under 23 star, what they call Omari Hutchinson. This guy, I don't know why in with Arsenal fallout. They say nobody agree a new deal, so the guy don't go Chelsea. According to Fabrizio, the guy they close to finishing in medical. So this guy is one of the potential stars of the future where Arsenal don't they groom for long. The guy get huge potential, but last he don't go join Chelsea. So wish him all the best of luck. Make it not be another Serge Gnabry matter. They say don't come out now, can't go blue. But Chelsea know how to manage academy player. Like I don't get. Well, just the watcher. Paul Messi said don't come outside call the talk. Say Martinelli gets so much potential, like the guy gets so much talent. But the problem is say the guy know they live up to expectations. Say make the guy step up this season. You get last season everybody expected so much with a blistering pace, with a tricky nature and everything, but he really didn't do much. And see the truth they say why most of our players don't do much. Martinelli they give assists. Like I said, no the buster, they give assists. People like Ozil, people like Odegaard, they give assists. Like I said, no the box. And people like Saka, they throw ball enter the box. People like Tierney, they throw ball enter the box. We don't have somebody with the box. And if you don't have a player who score all these assists that they give them, you can't be like people they behind them, they don't give any assist. That is the problem. So now that we have a clinical striker that can score half chances in the name of Gabriel Jesus, any chance we enter the box is a potential goal. That is where my own day now. So I'm very, very happy. We have 3 key wingers and we have a Fabio Vieira who is known for making assists after giving up to like 16 assists in Porto last season. So we're expecting so many good things to happen this season. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day.